Hello and welcome to this tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this tutorial video, I will be doing a collaboration with my colleague Adam Wignall. We're going to be showing you how to password protect a PDF. I'll be showing you how to do this in Windows, and Adam will be showing you how to do this in Mac. Password protecting a PDF in Windows is a little trickier than doing it on the Mac side. But there is a possible way of doing it. We have a PDF file here which is already downloaded and we wish to apply a password to it. If we just double click on the file, it will open in Adobe Reader. Although it is possible to password protect the document from within Adobe Reader, unfortunately this requires having a professional version of Adobe Reader, which you will be required to pay for. We therefore can try and do this another way, which involves using Microsoft Word. So close the PDF down and right-click on the PDF. Hover over Open With and go to Word. A warning will appear saying that Word will now attempt to convert the PDF into a Word document. Sometimes this works, sometimes it does not. This particular PDF works pretty well because it was created in Word in the first place and then converted to PDF. Hopefully your document will open correctly in Microsoft Word. If it does not, then I suggest that you use an online tool to convert the document or use a paid-for tool. If you're using an online free tool, just be aware that the document will be uploaded, and so it's important to check their terms and conditions and check who that website is run by if the document is sensitive. Once your document is in Word format, as this one now is, we can go File, Save As. We'll choose a location. Make sure that you give your document a new name if you're saving it to the same location as the old one. From the Save As type drop-down, select PDF, select Options, tick Encrypt the document with a password, click OK. Now enter a password. The password must be at least 6 characters long and no longer than 32 characters. Click OK. Save. And it's now opened the document and is asking us for the password. We'll enter the password and click OK. And now the document appears. The same can be done for a Word document. If you create a straightforward Word document directly in Word, you can use the same method to save this as a PDF and apply a password. So here we've done the same thing. Select Save Type as PDF, encrypt with the password, and it's the same process. I'll now hand over to Adam Wignall, who will show you a similar principle on Apple.
To begin, open the PDF with Preview, click on File, then select Export as PDF. You can click on this drop-down to expand to make it a bit easier to see whereabouts you're going to save. Click on Show Details, then tick Encrypt, type in the password you would like to use, and then verify again, and click on Save. Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.